This video shows you how to count macros for free without subscribing to any apps. Best of all, you can follow these steps even if you do not have a food weighing scale. Step 1. Google Precision Nutrition Macros Calculator and enter their website. The link is also in the description. Next, scroll to the bottom, click on Get Started, and fill in your details. Once done, a report will be generated. Key in your email and download it. I would advise uploading this report into Google Drive so that you will be able to access this on your phone anytime. Next, open your report and scroll down to the part of the report where the macros are mentioned. Note down your daily target macros in a Google Sheet. If you would like a free template, you can get one in the link in the description. The next step is to download and register for MyFitnessPal app. Once you are done registering, you should see this home page. Now we can start keying in our macros. After every meal, simply open up the app and click on the plus icon. Select food, then the meal type, whether is it breakfast, lunch, dinner, or snacks. Next, key in the quantity and name of the food. If you do not have a weighing scale, one life hack is to Google an estimated amount of the food to see if it matches the amount you are having. In this way, you can estimate the amount of food you consumed without buying a weighing scale. Of course, this method is inexact. If you have an actual food weighing scale, please use that instead. By the end of the day, you should have keyed in the quantity and food for each meal. Open each food item and key in the 3 macros to the Google Sheet. Overall, it should take you less than 5 minutes to do this each day. Once done, take a look at your macros to see whether you have eaten too little or too much of any macro. If there are any discrepancies, adjust your diet the next day and monitor your progress. If you feel that it is too inconvenient to key in the macros every day, you can refer to Precision Nutrition's fist-sized estimates of food that you can eat every day. The numbers here refer to the portions of protein, vegetables, carbs, and fats. In my case, I can eat 3 portions of protein per day, 8 portions of carbs, and 10 portions of fats. And overall, I am allowed to eat 3 of these meals in a day. And that's it. You are now able to keep track of your daily macros count without subscribing to any apps, and even without a food weighing scale. Thanks so much for watching, and all the best for your fitness goals.